Good afternoon. It is January 30th, 2018. Time to recap today's trading and take a look at tomorrow. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations, unlike an actual performance record where simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may be overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representations being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, we came in on the E-mini this morning, wanting to sell the 44, 46 area. High was right here at 40. This first trade up here was a beautiful retest failure trade. That was positive. We do trade before the day session opens. Mean green, positive. This buy, positive. Retest failure, made a little. Head and shoulders, made a little. Retest failure, made a little, not much. A retest failure here, or this S, make a little. Retest failure off the bottom, make a little. Mean green. So we've got enough volatility. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 trades possible today. And if you got in about half of them and pulled out a couple on each of them, you got 4 points, like 2 points each. And you got more on some of the rest of them. You've done well. But what we have is the market is selling, and this increases the volatility, and it gives us a chance as a day trader to prosper in the E-mini. And that's what we really haven't had for a long time, is a market that would sell. So hopefully we'll see that continue. We'll get a two-sided market, and we'll have a chance to prosper trading the E-mini. 3 days here, 3 days there. So maybe we have a 2 or 3 day sell-off. Hard to say. F1 screen says find a place to sell it. F2 screen, we were guessing an hour ago, close in the 26-27 area. Still seems possible. We have news tomorrow. We've got ADP plus 195. Okay, they'll be looking for a good number there. Employment cost index up 0.6. That would confirm a tightening labor market. Chicago PMI 64. Pending home sales plus 0.5%. FOMC. State of the Union tonight. Got to be strong economically. I don't think he'll come out there and say anything to hurt the economy tonight. So all this news, if as forecasted, will be positive for the E-mini. And I still think the large institutions are looking for places to buy it without an obvious piece of news. If the market were to close right here, right now, last rotate up was 32, so sell 1 30 to 32, sell 2 35 to 37. On the buy side, 20 to 22, and 15 to 17 would be new lows. Another article on Zero Hedge attributing the selling in equities to the selling in treasuries. News Focus, ADP, Chicago PMI, FOMC. Market is lower. The 10-year did not make new lows on this move as the 30-year did. So That's because of knob spreading, selling the 30-year, buying the 10-year. Again, market opens, sells, could still be selling right here. We could have a new distribution down. Doesn't break, we end up with a D pattern if you look at the TPOs, but if you look at the volume, it's really leaning towards a B, and volume almost always wins, so we've got to move out of the middle and I period. Testing the Globex lows, not getting there yet. So we just did go a couple of ticks below yesterday's low. Market is still pointed lower. So right now on the 10-year, you'd be selling 23s to 27s, 31s to 03. On the buy side, well, let's bracket that. Let's make it 15 to 19 by 1 and 9 to 13 by 2. The market does sell tomorrow. The 10-year will not sell as fast as the 30 because of knob spreading. Okay, looking at the 30-year. Trying to look at the 30-year. Last rotate up stopped at 17, so 16 to 20 is number 1. 23, 27 sell 1. 31.03 sell 2. Massive short positions taken. 8 to 12, number 1. 1 to 5, buy 1. 21.25, buy 2. Again, I can't see Trump saying anything that would hurt the economy. Mnuchin came out today and said he favors a stronger dollar over time. If the Fed is pointed towards higher interest rates sooner rather than later, that would be supportive for the dollar. Gold, we caught gold just as close as you could catch it today. We did a good the analysis. We did a good job. Lower high, lower low, weak close right here. And this is April gold. Excuse me, this is February. Thought I'd change it. I'm on a fast market one. Excuse me. So I'll go back and change that. Got a weak close here. They tried late to rally it. 43 held, so we got pretty good selling at 45. 35, 37 has been support, so maybe a little lower in London. 34, 36 by 1. 30, 32 by 2. 40, 42 by sell 1. 44, 46 sell 2. Basis February. Yeah, we're in April right now. But this screen here, I crashed. I hung up my CPU, so I went to another program, and I had not rolled to April. So we're in April right now. We've been in April all day. Well, this is basis February. Oh. The numbers will change tomorrow morning. Okay, crude oil. Move out of the middle in K period. See this 62.50 area down here is probably the cleanest break in the market. F1 says find a place to sell it. And we're back. So the rally up to I think 67 was all short covering by the professional trading community. And we closed day session, unofficial close was 49. We're currently trading 36. So 64 and a quarter by 1. 63.50, 63.75 by 2. On the sell side, 50 to 75, sell 1. And in the 65, even 65 and a quarter, sell 2. And looking at the euro, if the Fed's language is that we're raising interest rates sooner rather than later, the euro should catch some selling tomorrow. Have higher low, higher high. On the F1 said it's okay to buy it. And on F2, got a seller at 75 and we've got a buyer at 75. So we got a $1 range right here. 1 point. So last rotate up stopped at right under 50. So 75, 85, sell 1. 125, 125.10, sell 2. On the buy side, 24.25, buy 1. The buck, buy 2. That does it for this January 30th, 2018. The stuff written down and I'm out of here. Y'all have a great evening. See you bright and early in the morning.